Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of my DIY pallet shelf. That's right. Sorry I have to split it up into 2 parts like that, but I don't have the editing software to time-lapse and edit and things like that, so I'm just using my phone like all the other new guys that are doing it on YouTube. But first and foremost, I need all you guys to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications for my future videos. So now, I'm going to show you guys the pallet shelf. There you go, there she is, all stained and ready to go. And if you look at it, yes, it is half a pallet. Like I said in my first video, you can pretty much get a pallet anywhere. Most, stores will give you one if you ask. I got mine out of Harbor Freight. They were nice enough to give me one if I ask for one. And I usually do if I use it for a small project. They know who I am. I buy a lot of tools out of them. But first, the letters I used on here, these are peel and stick. These are from Hobby Lobby. And for a whole packet of them, they were $9.99, but they had 50% off. So it only cost me $5, and it came with a variety of letters. So I have a lot of them left over for future builds. And they look hand-painted. You just got to make sure you push them on. They're really good. And that's much you got to do with that. Inside here, I made a shelf. Okay, so this way you can put coffee creamers in here, K-cups, box of tea bags, whatever you want to put in there. The hook's down here for all your coffee mugs. You can use this as another shelf if you like. This is for your wine glasses for your PM part. So, just cut out your slots and make sure you go about halfway in, so depending on the stem of the glass. This way they look good when they sit in there. And another shelf inside here that holds the wine bottles. It was pretty simple to make. I think I spent more time probably staining it than I did building it. I mean, if you're a professional out there and you know how to build stuff out of wood, this should be pretty quick for you. It should only take you maybe about 5-10 minutes to build it really quick. Me, I am not a professional. I've stated it before. I learn as I go along. But with this one, it's pretty easy. But for anybody who doesn't know how to do a lot of woodworking, it's pretty simple. Cut it in half, think it through what you want to do, but you will have to take some of the wood off. Like this piece right here, one of the skinnier one, this is actually the bottom section. So I did cut it to fit, and I measured where I needed to put my slots, and I measured where I needed to put my rings for the coffee mugs. You can, I have, a cordless nailer. You can use that, or you can use screws. But one thing I did do to reinforce it, a lot of these boards, they're not on there that well. And this is probably where they're going to use it to hang it to the wall, to anchor it to it. I did put a lot of screws onto the back of it, drilled pilot holes, put good wood screws in there. So this way, I know it's going to stay together. It's not going to come off the wall really easy and come apart. So yeah, this is your DIY, do-it-yourself pallet shelf. I'm proud of how it came out, and the person I built it for, hopefully, I'm sure they'll like it too. Till then, take care, and I'll see you guys soon.